Hi guys, welcome to the session of herbie.ai activation. In the last video, we had seen how to register online for using the services of herbie.ai. This video, we are going to get the details of our login. We are going to log in and instantly create the bot and see how it is responding for us. So I am going to after the registration is successful, you get the registration email also into your mailbox with the same credentials. And once it is approved, you will get the email from Herbie with your login credentials for logging into the account. So this is the reset mail ID. This is the temporary password which will be forced to change when you are logging into the system. So the link is also given for login to the application. When you click, you will come to the login page of Herbie. Use your registered email ID and use the password what you had given. Use the CAPTCHA to authenticate that you are a human. So Herbie will force you to change the password. You can enter your old password. You can give the new password what you propose to use. Please remember the password. Herbie will also notify you by email about this new password, what you had changed. So even if you did not remember it, no problem. We are always here to help you to get on to it. So the password is updated successfully. Now, when you get on to the application, you would have received an email about your new password so that even if you forget, you are always keeping the password available. Apart from that, we also have a forgot password option at the login page so that your password can be reset at any point of time safely and securely. Now when you log in, this is a vanilla dashboard. You have subscribed to the product, you got into it, your company name is shown on top of that, and it also shows your licensing for that. So as a demo account, you are eligible for one user for 20 info bots and one language, but we had given and increased your allowances to showcase how the product will work. Now you don't need to travel outside. This is the bot handle you had given. When you click, the bot will get load here itself. So I will tell you how to modify the first text and other things. Now we are going to start creating our bot. So a bot can be created using the front end. I will also show you, and you can also upload using our generative AI capabilities. So when you get into the generative AI capabilities, you can always download the sample template of this content, just 4 columns. I am going to open a file which I already pre-filled for you for this demo purpose. So the file what we will be using is something will look like this. So this is the template of that talks about the display name. This is nothing but the name of the bot. So in a controlled generative AI, tomorrow you want an answer to be given perfectly uniformly so that you can tag all the trainings toward this for this answer. That's why we give a display name for it. We support more than 110 languages. You can get the list of languages what Herbie supports from your knowledge base. And you need to create one question minimum, and it is the starting point of the auto training of the bot to happen. And Herbie has the capability even to get the response for the questions which are asked within this answer also. If you want to add more than one question, you are free to do by adding a comma separator. You can add the next question, it will get tagged over there. Now once the file is ready and good to go for it, you can just drag and drop the file for it to be processed. So I am going to get the file. I am going to drop it. It will start reading the file, processing the file, uploading the file. You will get the message successfully uploaded. In case if there are problems in your data, you will get the error list. You can download the error log and read what is the problem, rectify the sheet and re-upload into the application. Now once it is uploaded, you will see a publish button is activated. This is the place where you will push this file to our generative AI to create the data models to respond to you instantly. So I click on the publish button. This will process your file with its own data model. We are using a 70 billion data sets, one of the very strong and deep algorithms. So it says, yes, your sync has been done successfully. Now your bot is ready to respond for your questions. So I'm just getting into it. I will again tell you how to manage this first text. So now I'm going to ask some of the questions, like if you look upon the question here, what we have uploaded onto the application. Let me take this. Will you do a credit check on me? Will you do a credit check on me? You can just speak to the bot. It will go and fetch the answer. The first answer will take a little time because it is the first time it is connecting to the server, right?
We may need to conduct credit checks. However, if we conduct credit checks on you, it will not affect your credit score.
So if you look upon this is the controlled Gen AI. It will always tell me the answer, what I will take out of that. You may ask differently questions, like for example, like on this, can I use credit card for payments? So I'm not asking the question what I created. I'm trying to ask
We
the question.
accept multiple methods of payments, typically debit credit cards with recurring.
Right. So if you look upon, I didn't ask which payment method I can use. I chosen the one which is available part of my response itself, how I can do. Now let me ask a different question, see that bot is not answering, and see how I can tag this. Okay. I'm going to subscribe to your plan. Do I still need an insurance? So it's one of the genuine questions I asked. Let's see what bot is responding for it.
I am sorry. Please contact us.
So it's not able to understand this. No problem at all. For you, it's going to be a very easy job. You will find, because I said why this first name is important. So we are going to say comparison with insurance. So I will go to my manage bot. That is where all the uploaded data is managed, part of that. So I'm going to type one of the keywords out of that intern name. So comparison with insurance has come. I can go for viewing of that. I can just put the question what I wanted to add on that. So my next job is just to publish it. So the question is also synced upon. Now when I come back and I wanted to ask the question to the bot will understand my question, because
we are not insurance advisors, hence we are not able to give you.
Right. This is a very simple process. Even if you have 100 knowledge based questions, you can just quickly ask randomly all the questions from your answers, from your questions, and you have the ability to manipulate or modify the data, and you can also train the bot out of that. Now the next video I am going to show you how you can set the first message, how you can create a menu option, how you can create bots using the front-end capabilities. With this, let's wait for the next video. Thank you. Good day to you.